IDs. Now.
We're all of age, sir.
Pull it out. Give me your ID.
It's not DUI, is it? It's not DUI, is it?
Step out of the car. Excuse me?
For your file.
You heard me.
Give me your ID.
What do you want?
You're drinking a beer in the car right now. Give me your ID.
Yeah, I'm in the back seat, am I?
Step out of the car.
I can't step out of the car.
Unlock the car right now.
Get out of that car right
Step out of the f***ing car right now.
Don't touch me!
Get your ass
Do not touch me!
Get out of the car. Step out of the f***ing car right now.
baby in the back seat.
I don't give a shit. Step out of the car. Get your ass.
Do not touch me! I'm trying to my car!
Don't get your hands off me. Natalia!
Why am I stuck in my car?
Transbend your
I ain't going back in the f***ing person. I'll tase you. No.
back right now.
Why am I stuck in my
Put your hands
car?
behind your f***ing back right now.
It is.
Give me your other hand. Put it behind your back now.
I'm stuck in my car. There's my brother's not getting on my license plate. I have to
Take me now. Then stop it. Get out of the car. My f***ing nephew's in the back of the car. Let me get out of the car then.
Shut your mouth.
What does to do with my son? That is my son.
Get out of the car. Let me get out of the car then. Get out of the car.
Keep your mouth shut.
I will if you let me go.
Let me get out of the car. My nephew's f***ing crying.
I'm not doing no harm to you at all. Let me get my brother out of there. Let me do it. Only I can. You can't do shit to him. Let me do it.
What's doing my name? Dude, you ain't gonna
Get in the car.
I'm dead serious.
Sit your ass in the car. Sit in the car.
I'm dead serious. Let me do it.
about the fucking dude. I'm a fucking no. I ain't about to stop it. Alright, I'm gonna tase you if you don't get out of the car. Tase me then. Your nephew in the back of the car right now. I am my nephew in the back of the car. Out of the car now. Out of the car.
Huh?
We're not drunk. My fucking nephew in the back of the car right now.
You seem cool. What's everyone's deal?
I don't know. Car, if you guys leave me alone. I am my nephew in the back. I am my nephew in the back. I'll get out of the car. I'll get out of the car.
You got in trouble? I'm just going to put your hands up over now, okay?
Get out of the car. Hey, Bubba. Hey, Bubba.
Alright, do me a favor, have a seat, okay?
Hey, Bubba. Somebody get a car and bring it along this side. Come on out of the car. No! Stop.
Stop resisting, man.
Got it, Brian?
Just stop resisting.
Alright. We got him. No, you don't.
Sit him up.
Stop.
Sit him up. Sit him up.
Sit you up as soon as you stop. You got me? Yeah. Stop.
All right, let's go. Sit him up.
1, 2, 3. So.
You all good, dude?
Huh?
You good?
Yeah.
You sure?
The driver's in my car.
That's why you touch my jaw. No.
There's my son in that car. Let me take him home.
Put your leg in the car.
I will. Let me take
Put your
my
leg in
son.
the car.
Let me talk to you for a minute.
I'm gonna talk to you in a couple seconds, okay?
Stop. Stop right now. Stop.
I ain't do nothing wrong.
Stop.
What did I do wrong?
Stop trying to resist.
No,
man.
no, I ain't resisting.
You are resisting.
Okay, I'm not someone alone. He needs me. I'm his mother.
Okay, put your leg in the
That's
car.
my brother. I'm trying to rest there.
Okay. Let's go.
Get in the fucking
Take
car.
a seat in the car now.
Step out
I
right
don't need me no harm. I'm trying to
here. Step
explain.
out right here. You don't mean no harm. You came running out the car at me.
I'm trying to. That way.
What he's grabbing at.
Get in the car. Get in the car. Come on, man. Sit your ass on the seat. I didn't do nothing fucking wrong. You choke me one more fucking
Not
time,
choking.
I'll fucking punch you the foot out.
Watch out.
You got any drugs in the car?
Do I look like a drug dealer to you?
No, I'm asking you a question.
No, I have a son in my car.
Okay.
You're making this way worse than it has to be, my man.
No.
Yes, you are. Can you just put your foot in the car for us?
No.
To make it easier. Okay.
Who are you?
Don't worry about who I am.
You got beer in the car, right? You're drinking in the car next to him.
No, I'm not
Tossed out
drinking.
2 beer cans right in front of me at the light. That was silly, right?
Okay, that was my brother, not me.
He was drinking Modelo. Those were Twisted Teas.
Yeah, my fucking nephew in the fucking car and he's fucking crying. I can hear him. explain to you guys wear yourself out.
Yeah, they're in my car. Doesn't mean we're all drinking.
You were all drinking?
And David Buster's.
Okay. You
Wait
intoxicated
there.
right now?
No, but actually I'm not underneath the limit.
Put your foot there. Come on, dude.
You guys go out here for a long ass time.
Come on.
It don't matter if you guys take my boots off.
Dude.
The guy told me you can't take the beer out. He didn't explain why he couldn't take the beer because the bartender said he could. And he said you can't take it out. He said why not? Because the bartender said he could.
Okay.
So what was he doing wrong? The bartender said you could.
Come on, man.
The more you keep doing this, the more charges you're just racking up.
It don't matter. I'm here for my fucking nephew.
You ain't here for your nephew, man.
Who's here for my fucking nephew?
The one cop said you couldn't do
You
it.
probably shouldn't have pushed him.
He never touched him.
And
I
he's
grabbed
drinking
his,
in the
I had to
car.
grab his arm.
You grabbed
I
his arm?
grabbed his arm, not him.
I don't know. Probably. Anything illegal in the car? Nope. Anything other than booze in the car? Drugs, guns?
Step out and let's go over there.
Did someone get your ID?
Yeah, someone there, yeah.
Okay.
Because David bumps this guy's right there too.
Not me. I see the car come flying out of Dave & Buster's, so I followed it. 2 twisted tea cans fly out the window. And then I stop her. So I walk up to the car, I'm talking to her, and the guy in the back's drinking a Modelo, and he goes, "F you." Like, excuse me? I said, all right, let me get your ID. He said, no. I said, why? This is legal. I'm drinking in the car. So I said, step out of the car. He went step out of the car. Then she comes flying out at me. Say she had. Was she drinking the twisted tea in the car? She was? You've been cool the whole time. Are you going to be all right if I take you out? I don't think you're going to be under arrest for anything. You didn't do anything. Yeah.
This is disrespectful and ignoring me.
What?
Let me talk to my son. I'm his mother, not you.
No.
Whose car is this? Mine. Get him going.
Open the fucking door! About to lose my fucking shit!
Okay, we're not doing that right now.
Let me call my son down.
You shouldn't be drinking in the car driving.
I was not drinking in my car driving her.
Okay.
I had to put that on God.
Okay.
You believe in Jesus?
Yeah.
No, you don't.
Okay.
He knows where I live. Tell him to take my son home.
Hey, she said this is her boyfriend and he could take the son home if you guys want.
Alright, bud. Step out the car, man.
Have a cigarette?
Yeah, you can have a cigarette if you step out.
Later on. Get out.
Can I?
Yes.
Or is that just bullshit?
Oh, if you get out of the car.
We gotta do a couple things, okay?
Good, get me
So
out
I'm
of
gonna have you
here.
step out.
I'll leave my phone on my wall. I'm
You're gonna
gonna
get that
call
when
my
we're
mother
done.
and I'm suing you.
Okay, we're gonna do that when we're done.
The date was May 27th, 2025, and at 8:15 a.m., a routine traffic stop following an incident at Dave & Buster's erupted into a dangerous confrontation. When the officer approached the vehicle, he immediately noticed Natalia drinking a beer in the driver's seat. Despite the presence of an innocent baby in the back, both Natalia and her brother, Sergey, became combative, refusing to provide identification or exit the car. The scene quickly devolved into a physical struggle as backup arrived. Sergey was forcibly removed and handcuffed after allegedly battering an officer, while Natalia shrieked that she had done nothing wrong. After failing several field sobriety tests, Natalia was hit with a mountain of charges, including DUI, child endangerment, and obstructing justice. Sergey faced felony charges for aggravated battery to a police officer. Their blatant disregard for the child's safety turned a morning stop into a life-altering legal disaster. Subscribe for more videos and get the latest deep dives into the archives of Bodycam Real Files. Hit the notification bell so you never miss a new upload.